One, two, three.
Alright, well, talking about inner people or other people, right? I don't know exactly who I am, but since I lose my job at the time, I had to start work 2006 until 2011 at the time. Every single day I work for mechanic tire at the time. But after I losing my job 2011 at the time, I chose my life for I stay all day, all night in my home or indoor, not outdoor anymore. Sometimes when my friend invited me to go to outdoor, hang out somewhere, drink coffee together, or walking each other, and maybe like jogging, sport together, playing badminton or football everywhere. I reject it. I turn them down because I don't like. I love wasting my time every single day in my room. That's because in my house. That's because I'm very get bored if I don't learn something like knowledge or how to learn English or Spanish that fun time. Until now, I myself a week there's only one day I get off on the outdoor. All of that indoor. Since Wednesday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. This is all that indoor. Is my house. But there's only one day, Sunday. Just invite a lot of people who want to learn English. Every single Sunday at noon, 1500 p.m. here. Just invite a lot of people who want to learn English. Just because I myself, I do love indoor people, indoor than outdoor. Outdoor, when I got a girl from Europe, or I got a girl from Asia, or Australia, United States. Yeah, I'm going to be outdoor people because this is my own duty. You know what? But if I have no job, I have no guests from Europe, I wasting my time every single day in my room. I'll learn vocabulary, accents, done learning languages like Spain, then Esperanto, then Netherlands, then France. Right? Until now, that's because why I am still indoor people. It's because I have no occupation, I have job. If I have a job, this is I'm going to be outdoor people. Right? Speed it up. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.